I'm Ana Rosa and I'm an ambassador for Blue Economy in Portugal, specifically Blue Ocean Tech for the Stone Soup Leadership Institute. Portugal has been excelling in certain technological areas, such as smart sensors for ocean monitoring, unmanned systems for data collection and surveillance, fixed and floating platforms for ocean observation, digital twin, and non-digital technologies applied to the sea. Given this development, it is important that higher education in Portugal, specifically in engineering courses, offers specialization in these emerging areas. The development of these areas will allow the increase of blue ocean tech and the continued increase in careers related to this sector, such as electronic technician, computational fluid dynamics engineer, marine systems engineer, underwater robotics specialist, ocean data analyst, sensors and instrumentation engineer, digital twin specialist, and offshore operation technician. Thank you for your attention.